You're on this page because you want to improve your pickleball game. The reason most players stay stuck at the 2.5 to 3.5 level is not because they don't have the skills, but because they don't know the strategy of the game. Hi, my name's Dustin, certified pickleball instructor, and along with my son Xavier, we created a playbook that'll help you make less errors, attract better players, and have more fun playing pickleball. Basketball teams run plays to get balls in the hoop, football teams run plays to get touchdowns, and even tennis players run plays to score points. And now, for the first time ever, pickleball has a playbook to give you a strategic advantage to score more points over your opponents. Sure, you can go out and just have fun whacking the ball around, getting some exercise, and making new friends. But you want to know what makes pickleball even more fun? Having a strategic plan, knowing the right way to play, and ultimately making less unforced errors so you can win more points. The really unique thing about the playbook is it tells you what to do in the most common situations in pickleball. For instance, if you and your partner are here at the baseline serving the ball and your opponent returns wide like this, it'll tell you where to hit the ball and how to hit the ball as they're approaching the net to give you a strategic advantage. It'll give you a few different plays that'll help you gain the upper hand in that point. The playbook really takes the guesswork out of the game so that you can focus your mental energy actually hitting the shot instead of always being out of position trying to figure out what to do. And using the playbook is really simple. All you gotta do is just flip to a page like this one right here, which is the defensive drive. And every play will give you a short description of what the play is and why you would want to use it. And then it'll give you two diagrams of how to hit the ball and where to hit the ball for this play to be successful. But the best part is in the top right corner where there's a QR code. All you gotta do is just take out your phone or your tablet, click on the camera app, and then just hover the camera app over the QR code. A website will pop up, you just tap on the website, and it'll take you to that play where there's a video that explains exactly what to do in that play. There's 30 plays just like this one in the playbook, and you can see that it is a really nice looking book. And the best part is there's no software to download or password to memorize. Everything's already built into your smartphone or tablet. Watch a play 5 minutes before you go on the court, and it'll give you something to work on. You can elevate your game literally the next time that you step on the court because knowing the right thing to do is half the battle. Normally when I teach the plays out of this playbook in my private lessons, I charge $500 for the package. But as a part of this hard copy launch, we're excited to offer the best deal in pickleball. Instead of paying $500 for private lessons, you can get the playbook for a one-time payment of just $67. So if you love pickleball but find yourself hitting too many balls into the net or popping the ball up only to get slammed by your opponents, then pick up a copy of the Pickleball Playbook and learn how to use plays to make less errors, attract better players, and have more fun playing pickleball. Just click the button below and that'll take you to a checkout page that'll take you just a minute to fill out. But the best part is we have a 365-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. You can get the playbook in the mail, give it a shot with all the bonuses, and if at the end of the year you're like, this wasn't for me, then just shoot me an email and I'll give you all your money back. It's as easy as that. So click on the button below, take advantage of this package deal. I know you're gonna love it.